Welcome to Compare. In today's video, we take you into one of the most critical moments in South Asian history, the 2025 war between India and Pakistan. But instead of focusing on politics or military movements, we'll dive deep into the technologies each side used. What machines, what systems, what strategies shaped this modern war? And most importantly, which country was more powerful technologically? Pakistan used only 5% capability, and on the other hand, India used 99% capability. Let's find out. The war didn't start overnight. Tensions had been building for years. The Kashmir dispute remained the core issue. In late 2024, both countries accused each other of cyber attacks on critical infrastructure. There were unauthorized drone strikes across the line of control. Political instability and rising nationalism added fuel to the fire. International pressure failed to control the escalation, and by early 2025, the war began. Technologies used by India. AI controlled drone swarms. India deployed hundreds of autonomous drones developed by HAL and DRDO, capable of self-navigation, target tracking, and swarm coordination. Cyber warfare units. India launched offensive cyber operations to disrupt Pakistan's radar and communication systems. Satellite imaging and geomapping. India used ISRO's satellite network to monitor enemy movements and guide missile strikes with real-time imaging. Quantum communication trials. India tested quantum encryption to secure military communication channels from cyber interception. Hypersonic missiles. Agniveer advanced. Though limited in use, India launched Agniveer hypersonic variants capable of hitting targets at extreme speed with high accuracy. AI command systems. AI analyzed battlefield data, predicted enemy actions, and suggested rapid response tactics in real time. Technologies used by Pakistan. Turkish and Chinese drone tech. Pakistan effectively used Bayraktar TB2, Turkish, and Wing Lung 2 Chinese drones for surveillance and precision strikes. Cyber defense systems. With China's support, Pakistan strengthened its firewall and cyber defense units, successfully blocking multiple cyber intrusions. Smart surveillance. Pakistan used facial recognition and heat detection cameras along borders to detect Indian troop movement. Mobile jammer units. These units neutralized India's drone swarms in several areas by jamming their GPS and control signals. Ballistic missiles with AI guidance. Some short-range missiles were upgraded with AI-guided systems to improve strike precision, especially in mountainous terrain. Comparison. Who was more advanced? India's advantages. Strong indigenous technology base. Advanced use of AI and space tech. Superior cyber offense capabilities. Pakistan's advantages. Rapid deployment of imported tech. Effective electronic warfare tactics. Stronger tactical response in urban warfare. India had the technological upper hand due to integration and scale. However, Pakistan's smart tactical use of external technologies balanced the field. In tech alone, India was ahead, but in strategy, Pakistan held its ground. Uses and benefits of war technologies. Drones and robotics reduced direct troop involvement, saving lives. AI systems helped in faster decisions, real-time monitoring, and troop management. Cyber tools protected key facilities from blackouts and sabotage. Satellite intelligence provided clear insights into enemy movement. Electronic warfare disrupted operations without mass destruction. The 2025 war between India and Pakistan was not just a military conflict. It was a technological showdown. Both sides showcased powerful tools of the future: drones, AI, satellites, and cyber warfare. But one thing is clear: no technology is greater than peace. Instead of investing in war, imagine if such technologies were used for development, education, and healthcare. Let's hope the future brings cooperation, not conflict. Thanks for watching Compare. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which technology surprised you the most.